incident where she sustained 90% of burn injuries. And unfortunately, today morning, she took her last breath. So I request everyone to please observe 2 minute silence to pay homage for the divine soul. Please.
Education has a value that sometimes cannot be quantified. If you ever doubt your journey, look within instead of looking outside. Deep inside your heart lie answers to all the questions of life. No one else but you and your thoughts will keep you afloat in strife. Keep working hard, focus on your long-term goal. It's not the excuses that count, but the fire in your soul. Respected Chief Guest Dr. Rajesh Ramasamy, HOD, Department of Pathology, Faculty of Medicine and Health Sciences and Teaching Hospital of UPM, University, Putra, Malaysia. Guest of Honor, Dr. Anthony Cresto, Advisor, Africure Pharma, Mumbai, and Dr. Sneha Ambani, Professor and Head, Department of Pharmacology, All India Institute of Medical Sciences, Jodhpur, Rajasthan. Dr. J.S. Bawalkar, Dean, Dr.DY Patil Medical College, Hospital and Research Center and Convener. Dr. Sohan Chitlange, CEO, Dr. D.Y. Patil Unitech Society, Principal, Dr. DPU Pharmacy and Convener of the conference. Dr. Vikram Chaudhary, Founder and Director, Operant Pharmacy Federation. Dr. Santosh Bhujbal, Vice Principal, DPU Pharmacy and Co-Convener. Dr. Adepalli, Research Director, HODs, teachers, and dear delegates. A very good morning to all. I, Dr. Sejal Gandhi, welcome you all to the International Conference Pharmanecia 3.E on theme Emerging Trends in Pharmaceutical Research, organized by Dr. D.Y. Patil Institute of Pharmaceutical Sciences and Research and Dr. D.Y. Patil Medical College, Hospital and Research Center, Pimpri, Pune, and hosted by Operant Pharmacy Federation. Alone, we can do little. Together, we can do so much. With this agenda, DPU and OPF has organized this conference with the aim to understand current trends in pharmaceutical research and provided a platform to young scientists to discuss their findings and research through oral and poster presentation. We now start our program with lighting the lamp and praying and seeking blessings of the Almighty God. A lamp emits light that makes the path bright. Dispelling the darkness around, lamp lights every sight. Those who goes off the path, the lamp shows the right path. To fulfill its aim, the lamp serves the world with all its might. I request all the dignitaries to formally inaugurate the function by lighting the lamp. AI, artificial intelligence, additive manufacturing, blockchain, and other Industry 4.0 technologies. The increasing investment, growth of technology startups, and the expiry of several key patents, as well as increasing inter-organizational collaboration and a favorable regulatory environment are spurring innovation across the pharmaceutical research. From drug discovery and development to medical imaging and patient engagement, artificial intelligence occupies a prominent position in industry. Along with big data and analytics, more than a third of the pharmacy startups are working on software solutions for the industry. There is still a lack of access to basic medicines in many regions of the world, prompting demand for flexible pharmaceutical manufacturing. The use of real-world data to collect accurate patient experiences, blockchain to securely transact and manage patient records, and augmented, virtual, and mixed reality solution has also made a place in the pharma industry trends. So it's time to dive in the knowledge of these advanced trends and to learn from eminent speaker at the premier state-of-art campus of DPU. A leader whose action inspires others to dream more, to learn more, to do more, and to become more. Now I request Dr. Sohan Chitlange, convener of today's conference, to give welcome address. Please, sir.
Respected chief guest of the function, Dr. Rajesh Ramaswamy, head of the Department of Pathology, Faculty of Medicine and Health Sciences and Teaching Hospital, University Putra, Malaysia. Guest of honor, Dr. Anthony Crasto, advisor and a brand ambassador, Africure Pharma, Mumbai. Dr. Sneha Ambwani, ma'am, professor and head pharmacology, AIMS, Jodhpur. Dr. J.S. Bhavalkar, sir, Dean, D.Y. Patil Medical College, Hospital and Research Center, Pune. Dr. Vikram Chaudhary, founder and director, Operant Pharmacy Federation. Dr. S.S. Bhujbal, vice principal of DPU Pharmacy. Dr. Adipalli, sir, research director, all heads of the department, all the delegates, faculty member, and my dear student. A very good morning and heartily welcome you all for this international conference. As a principal of the host institute, I take this opportunity to introduce our organization and the institution in brief. You all are aware about brand DPU. DPU comprises of Dr.DY Patil Vidyapith, a deemed to be university, having 13 constituent units, which include medical, dental, Ayurveda, homeopathy, biotechnology, physiotherapy, and other units. And we have Dr.DY Patil Unitech Society, having 17 institutions which are affiliated to Savitribai Phule Pune University, which includes engineering, pharmacy, management, arts, commerce, science, law, and other institutions. The foundation of these units was led by Padma Shri Dr. D.Y. Patil, founder, president, and former governor of Bihar and Tripura, with a vision to provide quality education in various disciplines, and it is further nurtured by our visionary chairman, Dr. P.D. Patil, sir, Dr. Bhagyashree Patil, madam, vice chairman, and dynamic secretary, Honorable Dr. Somnath Patil, sir. Our institute, Dr. D.Y. Patil Institute of Pharmaceutical Sciences and Research, was established in the year 1994 with the goal of providing quality pharmacy education and training to meet the needs of pharmacy profession. Currently, the institution is offering diploma in pharmacy, Bachelor of Pharmacy, Doctor of Pharmacy, M.Pharm in 3 branches, that is Pharmaceutics, Quality Assurance Technique, and Pharmacology, PharmD PB, and PhD program, all affiliated to Savitribai Phule Pune University. In this journey of last 28 years, the institution has emerged as one of the premier pharmacy institutions of the country and achieved various milestones. The recent achievement of the institution is, like you all know, that we are accredited for the 2nd cycle by the NAC with A++ grade and CGPA of 3.77, which is highest for any pharmacy institution in the country. And overall category, we stand 3rd in the country. The B.Pharm program of the institute is NBA re-accredited for a period of 6 years. We are ranked among top 50 pharmacy colleges by NIRF since last 6 years consecutively, and we are the only pharmacy college affiliated to Savitribai Phule Pune University having the ranking. We are also recipient of Best College Award by Savitribai Phule Pune University under the professional category. These recognitions, achievements are due to the strong foundation of value-based education integrated with best academic practices, training and research activities backed by the state-of-the-art infrastructure and the latest teaching methodologies. The institution has a dedicated faculty comprising a perfect blend of qualified researcher and industry experts. Besides core academics and delivery of mandatory component of curriculum, we also ensure holistic development of students and additionally equip them with add-on courses and leadership traits. Skill development leads to the learn-to-earn concept. Hence, the regular hands-on training session using the advanced technology are organized to improve the practical abilities, and various industrial experts are invited for the same. The institute also conducts seminars, workshops, conferences, FDPs, international FDPs, and various training sessions regularly to update the student and faculty member on the recent advancement. As a research-focused institution, we have a good collaboration with the national and international universities. To mention the few, we have a tie-up with Karaganda State University, Kazakhstan, Ivan Franko National University, Ukraine, National Chai University, Taiwan, and various other institutions in India. Our association with DPU Medical College is providing new avenues in clinical research, and along with the PharmD student, our master's and bachelor students are also benefited. The faculty member and students are working hard to produce the excellent research, and their efforts have helped us to fetch research grant worth more than 2 crore rupees from various funding agencies like ICMR, DST, AICT, and others. The faculty members are regularly publishing their research paper in national and international journal with high impact factor. The institution has Innovation Council, which provides a platform and support for the students' idea for developing IPR, viable product and services. And I'm very proud to state that in last 3 years, the institution has published 30 patents with the Indian Patent Office. The research achievement of the institutes are acknowledged, and we have received various awards, which include AICT Lilavati Award 2021-22 under the theme Woman Innovator, AICT Chhatra Vishwakarma Award in 2019 under the Waste Management category, Z EduFuture Excellence Award for Research and Innovation, which was an AICT initiative in 2021. The major advantage point of DPU is industry-academia partnership, which is addressing one of the most important indicators of a professional educational institute success, that is employability of the graduates. We ensure our students are well equipped to meet the industry demands, and in this regard, we provide specialized pre-placement training in collaboration with the industrial experts to get the student ready for on and off campus placements. We were acknowledged for our efforts in strengthening industry-academia relation, and for that the institution has received Best Industry Link Academic Institution Award from AICT CII survey continuously for 3 years, and now we are being awarded as a mentor status. We not only work on the placement, the institute also provides guidance and take efforts on the student progression in higher education. And I'm proud to mention that our students have a presence in all the NIPERs of the country and reputed national and international universities in globe. The institute ensures overall development of the student by nurturing their talent through regular extra and co-curricular activities and leadership development program. Our alumni are working in leading companies across the globe, which is a testimony to innovative pedagogy and the best practices adopted at our place. We create opportunities and inspire students to achieve their goals and provide opportunities to broaden their horizons. Thus, we equip the young pharmacists to face the challenges ahead through knowledge, skill, attitude to the best in the world. Coming to the theme of the conference, as we know, the Indian pharmaceutical industry is emerging as a game changer at the global level, which is creating various opportunities in multiple domains with increased emphasis on research and development. I am immensely happy that in this pursuit to meet the global standard aligning with the new education policy 2020, the institute is organizing this international conference, Pharmanecia 3.E, on the theme Emerging Trends in Pharmaceutical Research, that includes excellent deliberation and interaction with the eminent speakers, along with a meticulously reviewed collection of technical papers in the proceeding. I came to know that there are more than 100 paper poster presentations today. I wish them all the best. I am confident that this conference will ignite the development of application in this area to address the various needs of pharmaceutical industry. I would like to express my sincere gratitude to the distinguished invited speakers for their presence and contribution to the conference. I express my sincere thanks to our management for their constant support and encouragement. I congratulate all the delegates for their enthusiastic participation, and I wish them success in the future endeavor. Thank you so much, and I wish the conference all the best. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. A good leader sustains momentum, but a great leader increases it. And that's how we have achieved laurels under his leadership. And we all are proud to be part of it. Thank you. To make our day filled with learning extravaganza, we have with us eminent speakers with great experience. I now take this opportunity to welcome our guest on this platform. I request Dr. Sohan Chitlange, sir, to welcome our chief guest, Dr. Rajesh Ramasamy, HOD, Department of Pathology, Faculty of Medicine and Health Sciences and Teaching Hospital of UPM, University, Putra, Malaysia. Guest of honor, Dr. Anthony Cresto, Advisor, Africa Pharma, Mumbai. Guest of honor, Dr. Sneha Ambani, Professor and Head, Department of Pharmacology, All India Institute of Medical Sciences, Jodhpur, Rajasthan. Dr. Vikram Chaudhary, Founder and Director, Operant Pharmacy Federation. Now I request Dr. Vikram Chaudhary to formally welcome conveners of today's conference, Dr. J.S. Bawalkar, sir, Dean, Dr.DY Patil Medical College, Hospital and Research Center. Dr. Sohan Chitlange, CEO, Dr.DY Patil Unitech Society and Principal, DPU Pharmacy. Thank you all. Thank you all. Operant Pharmacy Federation is one of the internationally recognized scientific community works with the aim to spread more about biomedical and pharmaceutical profession by organizing different exhibition, conferences, workshops, seminars, and camps, creating impact in the field of global healthcare. Now I request Dr. Vikram Chaudhary, OPF founder, to give welcome address. Please, sir.
Good morning to one and all. Today's chief guest, Dr. Rajesh Ramasamy, Professor and Head, Department of Pathology, Faculty of Medicine, Health Sciences, UPM, Malaysia. Guest of honor, he does not require any introduction. Dr. Anthony Cresto, he is the ex-principal scientist, Glenmark Pharmaceuticals Private Limited, Mumbai, and currently working as more than 10 industry role of advisor. Or another guest of honor, Dr. Sneha Ambwani, Professor and Head, Department of Pharmacology, All India Institute of Medical Sciences, Jodhpur, Rajasthan. Dr. J.S. Bhavalkar, Dean, Dr.DY Patil Medical College, Hospital and Research Center, and dynamic convener of this Pharmanecia 3.E International Conference and principal of Host Institute, Dr. Sohan Chitlange. Welcome you all to the international conference. And last not but least, Dr. Santosh Bhujbal, who is doing the great efforts to make this conference successful. All the esteemed colleagues, faculty members, and dear delegates, welcome you all to the beautiful city, Pune. It is my pleasure to welcome you on the Pharmanecia 3.E International Conference on Emerging Trends in Pharmaceutical Research. This is an exciting opportunity for us to come together, exchange the ideas, share the knowledge, and create a great platform for networking. The mission which we engaged Pharmanecia is for the network, engage, support, transfer knowledge among the professionals. And the combination which I seeing there at DPU is amazing, where pharmacy and medical combinately organizing this conference. That is the need of our healthcare sector, where very rarely found that medical and pharmacy jointly organizing such kind of the conference. As we all know, the field of pharmaceutical research is consistently involving the role of healthcare professionals in the pharma as well as medical. The technologies are increasing and approaching the emerging trends. This conference will provide a great exposure to the delegates in the coming hours. We will be hearing from some of the renowned esteemed guests there in the field of pharmaceutical research, who will be sharing their insights, experience with us, and we will be having the opportunity to engage with the lively discussion sessions and participate in the interactive sessions. I would like to opportunity to thank the management of Dr.DY Patil Unitech Society to providing the excellent facilities to conduct Pharmanecia 3.E International Conference with the grand level in collaboration with Operant Pharmacy Federation. I always thankful to them. Pharmanecia is the platform we are creating for the researchers, students, academicians, and healthcare professionals to come on a single platform. And this journey we have started in year 2018 from VV Institute of Pharmaceutical Sciences, Vijayawada, Andhra Pradesh. And second conference we have organized virtually due to COVID-19 pandemic. And this is the third international conference, Pharmanecia 3.E, we are organizing today at DPU Pharmacy and Medical College. And I am proud to say that all the winners of Pharmanecia 3.E getting the prize money worth more than 8 lakh, which is highest in the any conference in the country. And one more announcement I am doing, this is the first conference in the country where delegates will be getting e-certificates on the DigiLocker application, which is authentically approved by the Pharmacy Council of India, which is not happening in the conference segment. From the next month, all the delegates will get e-certificates on the DigiLocker application. Also, I would like to extend my gratitude to the organizing committee and their hard work and dedication to putting together and making this conference grand success. I hope you taking the advantage in this opportunity to learn, network, and explore the latest advancement in the pharmaceutical research. Now, I am pleased to announce for the Pharmanecia 4.E, which is to be held at JSS College of Pharmacy, Uti. Thank you all for coming together and making this conference successfully. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir. Your efforts to contribute in the field of pharmacy and biomedical are notable. Thank you. Pharmacist with doctor makes a comprehensive healthcare team. Now I request Dr. J.S. Bavalkar, Dean, DPU Medical College and Hospital, to address the gathering. Please, sir.
Chief guest for today's conference, Dr. Rajesh, Head of the Department, Pathology from Malaysia, Dr. Anthony Cristo, the guest of honor and the true role model for all of us, Dr. Sneha Ambawani, who is the Professor and Head of Department of Pharmacology at one of the pioneer institutions, AIMS Jodhpur, Dr. Vikram, who is a true support for this conference, my dear near friend, Dr. Sohan Chitlange, who is your convener and a leader, Dr. Bhujbar, Vice Principal, all the heads of the departments, faculty, students, and dear participants from all India and all nation. Welcome to you. And this is the first venture. In fact, Dr. Sohan Chitlange was behind me to have collaborations in the field of medicine, and he is pursuing it to the nearest level. We have a deep collaboration and tie-ups with the pharmaceutical institution of ours, which is one of the pioneer institutions, and we all are aware that you have recently got 3.77 CGPA in NAC, which is highest for any of the institution in India. Congratulations to you all. We being your partners and sister concern, as a medical college, hospital and research center, take proud to be associated with you. Here, last 25 years, our Honorable Chancellor, Dr. P.D. Patil, and our Pro-Chancellor, Madam Bhagyashree Patil, as well as Dr. Yashraj Patil, sir, has given us the free hand. And it is eminent, you all have this practicing hospital with you. So unless there is interdisciplinary understanding, and that is very true for the medicine as well as pharmaceuticals, unless we are together, the end product or outcome cannot be good. You are the inventors and we are your customers or utilizers of your product. If there is synergy amongst these two disciplines, then outcome can be really good. You invent, you have the molecule, we have the clinical material where the testing can be done, the phase-wise trials can be done, so that the safety and efficacy of the drug or the pharmaceutical product, including vaccines and seras and various other things, can be tested too. I'll urge and request you to take deep interest in man-machine interactions too, because unless you understand biomedical sciences and the biology and engineering, it is not possible to come up with the holistic or wholesome solution for the issues related to medicine. Being the eminent medical institution of standing for last more than 25 years, as we are there for the national ranking, and last consecutive 7 years, we are within top 25 medical institutions of India. It may be the constituent unit of Dr. DY Patil Vidyapith, which is deemed to be university, or it may be any other collaboration at the national and international level. We are always welcoming all of the scientific forum. We have the separate directorate of medical research, as Dr. Srikant Tripathi, who is the retired director of National Institute of Tuberculosis, he is heading that department, and research is priority for the medical college and hospital. We have a lot of types, including Johns Hopkins, Harvard Dubai campus, as well as various other campuses, and if I start taking names, then probably I'll take much of the time, but then yes, we are visible on global forum, and here are the experts from the field of pathology, from the field of pharmacology, from the field of pharmaceuticals itself. And Dr. Anthony, just we were having interactions, I came to know the molecule Fabiflu. He is the inventor, and he has the contribution to it, which has given the life lease to during the COVID period, and even various other viral diseases. If you talk of the pathology, here is the expert. If you talk of pharmacology, here is the expert, and they are national and international experts. This is the importance, and this is the way the conference has to go. I must congratulate the Pharmacy College for having this wonderful conference, and to a big medical college where we are having 250 undergraduate intake as well as 250 postgraduate intake, and all PhDs in all disciplines, and research as priority. You will really enjoy the academic feast. I welcome you to the campus, and I offer you all the hospitality possible. Welcome to you all once again. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. And surely our collaboration will take DPU to a newer heights. This conference has also provided platform to various young researchers to present their ideas. Abstract of oral and poster presentation has been compiled and published as conference proceeding for the future research. I request all the dignitaries to release the conference proceedings. Thank you all. Now I request Dr. Vikram Chaudhary to felicitate convener of today's international conference, Pharmanecia 3.E. Dr. J.S. Bavalkar, Dean, Dr. DY Patil Medical College, Hospital and Research Center. Dr. Sohan Chitlange, CEO, Dr. DY Patil Unitech Society and Principal, DPU Pharmacy. This felicitation is on behalf of OPF. Thank you, sir. Moving ahead, as a part of 61st National Pharmacy Week celebration on 25th September 2022, World Pharmacist Day, the extracurricular unit of DPU Pharmacy organized NPW Pharmanecia 3.E, an international e-tech fest for various virtual competitions in collaboration with Association of Pharmaceutical Teachers of India, APTI, the Indian Pharmaceutical Association, and hosting partner, Operant Pharmacy Federation, under the theme, Pharmacy United in Action for an Healthier World. The eTech Fest received a huge response of total 740 participants from all over India. On this platform, we would like to felicitate the winners of different e-competitions with trophy, certificate, and cash prize. I request all the dignitaries to give away the prizes. I request Dr. Rajesh Ramasamy to give prizes to the winners of e-poster competition, research and review. The first prize was grabbed by Ms. Simona D'Souza, MET Institute of Pharmacy, Nasik, Ms. Dhanashree Borchate, PS Modern College of Pharmacy, Ladies, Moshi, and Ms. Roshni Pagar, DPU Pharmacy. Yes, sir, the first prize is shared among these three participants. The winners are appreciated with a trophy, certificate, and a cash prize. Mr. Naveen Ahmed, MET Institute of Pharmacy, Nasik, and Ms. Sarika Zadav, PS Modern College of Pharmacy, Ladies, Moshi, secured second position. Third position was taken by Mr. Sumit Mude, Dr.DY Patil College of Pharmacy, Akudi, Ms. Dolisa Jain, Dr.DY Patil College of Pharmacy, Akudi, and Ms. Rishabh Jain, TMV's Lokmanya Tilak Institute of Pharmaceutical Sciences, Pune. Now I request Dr. Anthony Cresto to give away the prizes of quiz competition. First prize, Mr. Trived Damane, Anurag College of Pharmacy, Wardha, Bhandara. The students are felicitated with trophy, certificate, and cash prize. And Ms. Siddhi Deshmukh, DPU Pharmacy, Pimpri, Pune. Second position, Ms. Tanuja Marathe, DPU Pharmacy. Third position, Ms. Anjali Ganaje, DPU Pharmacy. Now I request Dr. Sneha Ambani ma'am to give extempore prizes. Second prize goes to Ms. Shruti Morankar, MET Institute of Pharmacy, Nasik. Third prize to Ms. Grishika Virodia, DPU Pharmacy. To give away the prizes for block writing competition, I request Dr. Rajesh Ramasamy sir. First position, Mr. Pranav Maitre, DPU Pharmacy. Second position, Ms. Sakshi Dongre, DPU Pharmacy. The Tech Fest also included group event as Pharma VID competition. I request Dr. J.S. Bavalkar and Dr. Sohan Chitlange to give away the prizes to the group. First position, group Proud Pharmacist from Kamal Prakash Pharmacy College and Research Center, Kherda, Maharashtra. I request all the students to come. Second position was grabbed by Group Unique from DPU Pharmacy. And Group Grey Finder from Sir Dr. M.S. Gosavi College of Pharmaceutical Education and Research, Nasik, stood third. Group Grey Finder. Thank you all, and many congratulations to all the winners. Thank you, dignitaries. Thank you all. The capacity to learn is a gift. The ability to learn is a skill. The willingness to learn is a choice. And we all have made today a choice to learn from the eminent speaker. So without further ado, I request Dr. S.S. Bhujbal, Vice Principal, GPO Pharmacy, to introduce today's keynote speaker, Dr. Anthony Cresto, Advisor, Africure Pharma, Mumbai. Please, sir.
A very warm good morning. I am very much privileged and honored to introduce a renowned scientist who is popularly known as World Drug Tracker, Dr. Anthony Melvin Cresto, sir, born in 1964, graduated from Mumbai University, pursued his PhD from ICT in 1991 in organic chemistry. Currently, sir is working as an advisor with Africure Pharma and has a good proficiency in technology transfer, spectroscopy, stereochemistry, synthesis, polymorphism, etc. Till date, sir has been associated with many of the major pharma companies, to mention a few, like Glenmark, Sanofi, RPG Life Sciences, etc. His new drug approvals, all about drugs, Eureka Moments, Organic Spectroscopy International, etc., are some of the most read blogs. He has also several million hits on the Google, 100 lakh plus views on blogs, which are free, spread across on 227 countries and heard in around 7 continents. Sir has hands-on experience in initiation and developing novel routes for drug molecules and implementing them on commercial scale. He delivers his expertise on topics of drug discovery, patents, QBD, GMP, tech transfer, polymorphism, literature search tools, etc. For his extensive contribution, he has received more than 30 plus awards at national and international level. In December 2007, he was struck down by a paralytic stroke, acute transverse myelitis, a disorder that affects only 1 in a million people. Yet, he did not let this setback deter him. And he continues to this day to serve the profession and to be an inspiration to millions of professionals by his hard work. Today, we are very much fortunate to have such an inspirational personality who is with us to enlighten the audience and guide us. Please take note, dear audience. Sir is going to award a prize to the most engaged audience member of this session. So I appeal to actively participate in all sessions. Now I request you, sir, to please deliver your keynote address.
Respected Principal, Swan Chitlange Sahib, Chief Guest, Dr. Rajesh from Malaysia. He has come all the way from Malaysia. Ma'am, Sneha Ambani ma'am, AIMS Jodhpur, our convener, our organizer for this event. And the head of Operant Group, Vikram Chaudhary. When I entered this campus, I thought, I'm entering something like Malaysia, Singapore, something like Kuala Lumpur and yeah. It is so posh, I was just struck like, what is happening? It is really fascinating. And then the facilities around here are tremendous like. And I was so glad, I am entering zones like areas like a pharma college which has an accreditation, a NAC, highest A++, 3.77. So we give all a big hand to the pharma college. And the man, and the great man behind it, Sohan Chitlange Sahib, who is also, I want to congratulate him for his unit tech venture for which he is heading now. Am I right, sir? Yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah. So, sir, I would like to give you a token of my own Vogel, which was very dear to my heart. But I suspected my wife will throw it into something, you know, some dabba and put it somewhere. So I would like to give it to you. Mohan. You can, sir, you can, yeah, but don't, sir. Yeah. Acha, this is an interactive session for which there are 3 gifts sponsored by Operant Group, Mr. Vikram Chaudhary, who was very kind. These are there. So this is an interaction. So anyone gets it straight away. It is great that I am in this complex where, you know, this is a medical college. And you know a dialogue from Sholay. जब बच्चा कॉलेज जाने लगे तो माँ बाप क्या कहते हैं कि बेटा मेडिकल करो, इंजीनियरिंग करो. लेकिन आजकल माँ बाप क्या बोलते हैं? कैन समवन टेल मी? फार्मा करो, फार्मा करो. So this is the latest. And I took this opportunity because, you know, our sir is not there now. He has gone. Otherwise, I have not told. But the latest buzzword today is pharma. Let us all give a big hand to ourselves only. अपने आप को ताली बजाएंगे. This all started with Donald Trump taking hydroxychloroquine from IPCA laboratories. And then suddenly our government woke up. I don't think this is going live now. Vikram, this is going live, nahi na? Live? Oh God. Acha, I will change my statement. Suddenly, our government, you know, it realized, oh, pharma bhi something hai. हमने इग्नोर किया था. फार्मा, डोनाल्ड ट्रंप ले रहा है हाइड्रोक्सी क्लोरोक्विन. वाओ, चलो, let us promote. And suddenly they realized, yes, pharma is a big thing. They started exporting to 166 countries and all over the world. And pharma was a name everywhere. Pharma, pharma, pharma. And then I realized, one day I was in a meeting where, you know, investors something. I found Yuvraj Singh wanting to invest 50 crores in pharma. उनको pharma का ABCD नहीं पता है, लेकिन मुझे pharma करना है. Then came cement वाले, dons, ex-employees, you know, everybody wanting to invest in pharma. In one incident, one sugar manufacturer बोलते हैं नहीं मुझे शुगर वगर नहीं करना है, मुझे फार्मा करना है. सर आप शुगर तो कर रहे हैं, वो तो भी फार्मा है. तो बोलते हैं नहीं मुझे एक्चुअल टैबलेट करना है, कैप्सूल करना है. They want to get into pharma. Pharma is a big word for everyone nowadays. And I'm very, very proud, you know. Earlier, see, when I am giving talks for so many years. लेकिन मुझे इतना interest नहीं लगा. I was not enjoying it. Just go, slide show something, you know, and finish off somehow half an hour, kaisa bhi khatam karo, bago. Now, no, it is very interesting. So I decided not to project on the screen, better to give a talk straight away. Because I know the crowd will get engaged. When you talk good, only thing is the salaries. Yes, thoda abhi filal low hai na? Filal low hai because they have not woken up. उनको पता नहीं है, potential पता नहीं है. Suddenly they'll wake up one fine day. You will find pharmacy graduates getting pays equivalent to something like start. I can predict 25 lakhs start per annum. अभी का range क्या है? 6, 8. कितना? 3? 3? नहीं नहीं 3 नहीं, 5 एवरेज 5. 3? एनीवे ये लाइव जा रहा है. लेट देम रियलाइज, यू नो. Yes, you should be heard by them. Arey, I forgot to mention Yedapalli sir. He is a research director of this. Oh God, भूल गए आपको. But sir, nobody has come up with a question. So how will I give this gift away? हो जाएगा sir. This forum is anytime open for questions now. ऐसा है. नहीं, anybody can question. Anybody करू. Not you. Except. Because हे साहेब आहेत ना, मी ग्लोबल PhD ला गेलो होतो. कुठे पण जाऊ साहेब आपले टॉक चालू देतात. तेव्हा मला माहित पडलं साहेब NMIMS पण होते, DY पाटीलला पण आहेत आणि आज पण मला भेटले साहेब. पण त्यांना समजलं असणार का मी काय बोललो ते? सर समजलं तुम्हाला? I said in Hindi translation, sir is everywhere. We are good friends. We share lot of things together, and we will remain good friends, and lot of collaboration with DY Patil and all. I say. Now, pharma. Coming back to pharma, suddenly the world has realized that we need to have a lot of interactions, academia, industry interactions. Now, I would assure I think I'm assuming all the students are pharma, not from medical. But I think slowly, as the demand increases, the number of companies coming up in government-free zones, as the supply goes down, naturally the salaries will go up. Abhi kya ho raha hai? Lot of supply is there, and lot of projects in the pipeline along with the government are coming up. They are on the completion stages. Suddenly the demand will go up. And once the demand goes up, just wait for your time. When the supply starts going down, the prices start going up, and your packages will go up. But now you'll have to bear a little for the time being, say maximum 1 or 2 years. But as you gain experience by that time, remember, you will have a package. You will have a great package. Only thing is you have to learn to adapt to industry conditions, work hard for 1 or 2 years until you gain experiences. Now, what are the areas open to you? The areas open to you are drug discovery, combined with clinical trials, pharmacovigilance, pharmacognosy, pharmaceutics, analytical chemistry, medical writing, business development, analytical I already told, then QA, QC, medical devices. No prize for you, sir. Medical devices, and the most important field. How many of you want to travel abroad? Haath upar karna. Then MBA marketing, international marketing is the best. Even today, we are not getting good people for international marketing. Not many people. You should combine your knowledge of pharma with MBA, combine, or maybe online part-time along with your pharma, post-graduation or doctorate, and then you feel your scope widening. So that is one area you have to look at. In fact, you have to promote our pharmaceuticals to the rest of the world. And in between, I will just, Vikram is not around. Vikram is there. Vikram is a pioneer in taking pharma education, pharma conferences, pharma interactions to the rest of the world. In fact, I don't know, he was very modest, why he did not tell international conferences. I was a part, I was given an award in one of his international conferences in Bangkok. So Vikram, what he does is, at a very young age, has combined, he has done so much of work for pharma that he has held numerous conferences, numerous seminars, numerous international conferences, and helped so many students with accreditations, awards, opportunities. That is what is needed for you. And an exposure to people from industry, from where you can learn something, you can take something home when you go. You can take confidence. That is what Vikram provides. Not me. It is him. It is because of him. I traveled all the way from Mumbai. It was at 10. He called me at 9. He wanted to make sure I am on time. But I was well before time. But yeah, always. So, he is the man. And you should give him a big hand. Because he is the man who has made this happen. Sneha ma'am has traveled all the way from Jodhpur. Our sir Rajesh has traveled all the way from Malaysia, or maybe Chennai. Look, Chennai, yeah. And see, you people have a chance to interact. See, when I was a student, before my paralysis or maybe long back, I never used to sit on the first row because I was under the fear that my teacher or whatever, they will ask me questions. So I used to go to the last bench में किधर छुप के बैठ जाता था. Whenever the teacher used to look, so I used to hide, like this. But now this auditorium is in such a way that these people look, smaller, and those people sitting at the last bench, they look much closer. That is the beauty of this auditorium. And it is a fascinating, such a lovely auditorium. It looks like you can have a movie here, Pathan also here. And coming back to Vikram, people like Vikram should be highly appreciated, and they should be encouraged by management, all colleges, to have more and more functions. In fact, this management, Bujwal Sahib, this management can have seminars, interactive seminars, not like this conference, seminars where industry people will come and talk, interact, say regulatory affairs, apne kya bolte hai, quality control, analytical and all those topics. Then he can get the best speakers for you. So this type of conference becomes like a, may not be very interactive, but okay, it will give you an idea as to what is happening in the pharma industry. Indian pharma industry is going great guns. Our medicines are accepted all over the world. Our medicine, a box, will be treated as a brand anywhere in the world. It is treated as a brand. API from China, yes, number 1. India in pharma, number 1. We are going maybe something like trillions worth of business. And imagine the demand for graduates, pharma graduates, particularly pharma researchers, will be extremely high. And there will be a time when India will be number 3 economy in the world, and we will be investing heavily in drug discovery. So a lot of students sitting here should look at drug discovery as a career. That is what the dean of this college told. You have to come up with a molecule. And remember, when you discover a molecule and you license it to some company, it is in crores of Indian currency के हिसाब से बात कर रहा हूँ. It will be in crores of rupees. It will run into crores. The college, we discovers a molecule or patents it. will get royalty worth in crores. And it will bring accreditation, more accreditation to the college, and it will give you a name. It will give you a name. You will get lot of, if you are then affiliated to a, say a company, you may get shares worth in lakhs of rupees. That is the benefit. Plus patents. Naturally, patents give you a lot of value. You should look at clinical trials. You know what is clinical trials. You go through animal studies, toxicity. You go to phase 1, phase 2, phase 3, and everything. Then you should look at regulatory, where you do NDA, ANDA, 505(b)(2), all things you know. But you have to practice it. Drug master files, CEP, certificate of suitability, all those things. Then you can go in for, say, patent writing, or in those areas, IPR, where you do patent writing, trademarks, and all those things. You can go in for, naturally, the next is pharmaceutics, pharmacognosy. These are the, and pharmacovigilance. These are the fields which are available to you. Pharmaceutics will assume a big role, because then you have to do a lot of formulations, lot of new formulations. People want, ready-made. They just want, goli liya 5 minutes mein, sar dard gayab. And lot of other things. They want lot of things to happen, lot of things to gayab. I think the students know it very well. Kya gayab karna? Kya jaldi karna? Kya? Everything ready-made. Just pill, tablet. Nowadays the inhalers have come. Just put it, aisa, something, press the button and you get the lotions, sprays. Lot of research can be done in this area. Lot of research. Acha, I have to look at the time also. Kitna time hai, sir? Who is looking at the time? Kitna hai? Half an hour. Chalo done. Not a single question has still come in. Huh? See, it depends. Sir is a student or faculty? ये मैं अपने पास रखता हूँ फिर. अच्छा, sir, ऐसा है. See, pharma applied fields are there. Medical writing, yes, it is needed. So, lot of students who want to do work from home or shifts, part-time, like to go to the office sometime, not to go to the office, they can choose that career, medical writing. Because all you need is a computer and Zoom.
But as like Sanofi is coming with their own medical writing house, as they were taking previously as service.
Big companies, they always have. Big companies have IPR groups. Big companies have regulatory. But small, medium scale companies, say 50 to 100 crore wala, they would not afford to have their own teams, because they do not have so much of work. So they would always like to out-license it. So then people who are freelancers will get jobs. But in any case, a student can get a job in a big company for medical writing. So they have their own in-house teams to do all that. Patent writing ke liye bhi hai. For DMF filing, CEP, for ANDA, for everything they have their own in-house. And these students can get training there. Means if the college and the organization has a tie-up, they can be trained for 1 to 3 months. So that will make an academia-industry collaboration in such a way that students are ready for the industry. They are ready for the industry even before they get into the industry. So what you say, there are plenty of jobs available.
The student's choice nowadays is like to desk job, like as you said, medical writing, pharmacovigilance, CDM, or regulatory. But how this student can be attracted toward the core pharma? Because as you said, need to move from 3 lakhs to 25 lakhs. So compared to that growth in career, how we can promote that core pharma?
They can go for R&D, for formulations, API. You can go for drug discovery. There the salaries will definitely go up. You know what the salary is? एक question आ रहा है? You can come in front actually.
Sir, I'll ask from here only.
नहीं, you come here, come here.
Sir, here only.
लेकिन प्राइज लेने के लिए तो आना पड़ेगा ना. प्राइज लेने तो आना पड़ेगा कि नहीं? तो आप आ जाओ इधर. चलो एक तो हाँ, now you tell.
Sir,
देखो पहला चीज, you should not get scared.
no, I'm not scared.
बस, as a pharma graduate, you are like a warrior for India, for our country, for your college, DY Patil. शेर हो आप. Sorry, शेर नहीं हो आप. Sorry. शेर हो. Is the correct word, na?
Sir, adding to the question which sir asked, it is like in today's generation, we are the type of people who want growth at a rapid pace.
Yeah.
We want to grow rapidly, we want to earn money rapidly. So the options that are available right now, when we come out of the college, we are purely freshers.
Yeah.
So there isn't a company which is going to put up, like take a fresher and put them at a higher position. So at this moment, we need something which where the growth is gradual but it is rapid. So we don't have any options or we don't have any exposure to the fact that how can the growth be gradual as well as rapid.
To answer your question, there is nothing called rapid. नहीं तो ये हॉल में बैठे सब रैपिड हो जाते थे. Not possible.
हाँ.
So the hard worker becomes rapid. He becomes rapidly.
So because like
You have to acquire skill. Skill आना चाहिए. Once you acquire skill, the student who acquires the best skills, who learns the best, grows fastest. Best communication skills like you. You have to face the crowd.
yes sir.
These are needed. Communication, everything. So the answer lies in hard work, knowledge, perseverance, then sharpness, how you face the situation, how you do teamwork in a company, how you work hard, how much skills you develop, and what novel ideas you have to the management, what you want to give. Only when you give, you get something,
Yes sir.
right?
Yes.
I think I have answered. There is nothing called quick. There is nothing called a rocket which takes you to the top.
So we don't have a rocket, but being today's generation, we just have this conception or misconception that we just want to succeed.
एक एरिया
rapidly.
मैं बोल सकता हूँ, एक एरिया है रैपिड के लिए, बिजनेस डेवलपमेंट. बिजनेस लाओ, पैसा लाओ, कंपनी विल अप्रिशिएट यू एंड टेक यू टू द टॉप. और उसके लिए स्किल्स रिक्वायर्ड है. सामने वाले को सर पटाना, मेरा और सर का लैंग्वेज, पटा के काम करना अपना, दैट इज द बेस्ट. दैट इज व्हाट. बोलो मैम. नहीं करो मैम, इंटरैक्टिव है.
First is there is no shortcut for success. That's
Yes.
the one thing you should know. You should learn at this stage. Second, another, this was told by so many, no pain, no gain.
Yes.
Right? But whenever you do hard work, and if you have some idea, click idea, I don't say it's intelligence or what, it's a skill. If you'll develop in yourself, definitely we will be taken, noticed by so many companies. And sir has achieved this position not by clicking.
Yeah.
That's nothing like this. Nothing like this. It's in the picture only, nothing, nowhere else. So, sir has also achieved, here so many persons, they achieved their level by hard work, sincerity, and definitely some skills. So there is no rapid when you say in your workplace. You have to work hard with discipline, with dedication. That's the key of the success. That's it.
Thank you, ma'am.
अब रुक जाना. I would request Operant Group, Vikram Chaudhary and team to come forward to give her a memento on my behalf. Operant team, आ जाओ. कौन है? रिमझिम एंड मैम आ जाओ. What is your good name?
Rishika.
And you study what?
I'm a 4th year PharmD student. Sir.
Wow.
Yes.
So you are the number one to get a memento from Operant Group. You come. Chal.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah,
Thank you.
that's fine. अच्छा जो दौड़ के आएगा पहला उसको
सर
आ जाओ दौड़ के जल्दी आ जाओ
गुड मॉर्निंग सर आय एम स्टडिंग इन थर्ड इयर बी फार्मसी ॲट DPU पिंपरी सर माझा क्वेश्चन असा आहे की आता ज्या काळामध्ये जो ड्रग रेजिस्टन्स प्रोड्यूस होत आहे तर अशा हेच जर असे चालू राहिले तर येत्या पुढील काळात ती फार मोठी समस्या होऊ शकते तर मग त्या ड्रग रेजिस्टन्सला कसं आपण ओव्हरकम करू कोणते सेफ्टी प्रिकॉशन घेऊ किंवा कसं असं ड्रग डिस्कवरी करू त्याबद्दल थोडं सांगा
बघ रेजिस्टन्स जे आहे ते अँटीबायोटिक बिकॉज ऑफ मिसयूज नाही होतो आपण काय करतो काही झालं तरी जातो दुकानातून हे ॲमॉक्सिसिलिन आणि काय ते घेऊन टाकतो ॲझिथ्रोमायसिन ते चुकीचं आहे इट डेव्हलप्स रेजिस्टन्स तर आपण काय केलं पाहिजे आपण स्वतः कंट्रोल केलं पाहिजे वी शूड कंट्रोल आवर सेल्फ सो दॅट वी डू नॉट एब्यूज आपण स्वतःला त्रास देतो आणि देशाला सुद्धा जगाला सुद्धा त्रास देतो बाय मिसयुजिंग ड्रग्स तर आपण डॉक्टरकडे गेलं पाहिजे आता आपण स्वतः डॉक्टरकडे नाही गेलो तर डॉक्टर काय करतील
बरोबर
ते दुकान लावून बसलेत ते सॉरी
सर
नाही आय डिडंट मीन इट दॅट वे they are there now we have to go to them we have to take expert we are spoiling our health why are the doctors there they are giving us medicines on prescription
सर ते झालं फिजिकल पद्धती ते आपण करू शकतो पण असं तुम्ही जो मगाशी म्हणलात पण ड्रग डिस्कवरी अशी कशी
तुम्ही काय केलं पाहिजे माहिती आहे मॉलिक्यूल लॅबमध्ये नवीन व्हेरिएशन्स आणले पाहिजे त्याच्यामध्ये स्ट्रक्चरल ग्रुप व्हेरिएशन आणून एक नवीन मॉलिक्यूल तयार करून त्याला मग टेस्ट केलं पाहिजे कशामध्ये ॲनिमल फेज 1 फेज 2 फेज 3 आणि देन इट विल कम टू द मार्केट पण आता तू कुठल्या इयरमध्ये आहेस थर्ड इयर आता तू ड्रग डिस्कवरी कर त्याच्यामध्ये कशामध्ये अँटीबायोटिक्स आणि मॉलिक्युल आण DY पाटीलला लायसन्स कर DY पाटील ना
हो
DY पाटीलला लायसन्स कर मग तो मॉलिक्युल येऊ दे 10 वर्ष लागतील अजून
10-15 वर्ष
मग तू इकडे ये टॉप दे तर होईल तर शक्य होईल जेव्हा आपले स्टुडंट्स हे डिस्कवरी करतील डिस्कवरी केलं पाहिजे प्लस कॉन्शियसनेस इन सोसायटी that we do not abuse drugs. We should go to the doctor strictly, right?
You have a good scope in antibiotic development because as far as my knowledge is concerned, since last 50 years, no new antibiotic molecule is developed. All these are me too drugs. So if you'll be able to do it, definitely will be something means appreciated, definitely. Wish you all the best.
एक मॅडम रेडी आहे आपली माझ्याकडे 3च होत्या संपले आता सोनसर मी तुम्हाला बघितलं ओ मला वाटलं तुमच्यातर्फे द्या आणि फोटो काढून घ्या 10 वर्षानंतर यांना डायसवर बोलवायचं आहे ड्रग्स डिस्कवरी
Good morning, sir. Good morning, ma'am. I'm Snehal Satpute from M.Pharm second year Pharmacology department. My question is, you said there is a vast scope in R&D. Okay, but as I study about the drugs, I noticed that there is no new molecule approved by US FDA from Indian market. Why? There is a very big companies in India. Then why there is no molecule from India?
Because you students don't want to go into drug discovery. You want to go for MBA. You want to go for writing. You want to go for QA. This. नाही मी आन्सर देतो सी इंडिया till now, there was no focus on pharma. Until Donald Trump came up with that hydroxychloroquine. त्याने एवढी मेहरबानी केली आपल्यावर. आपलं नाव फेमस करून टाकलं आपल्या कंट्रीचं. From that time, there is a realization with the government that pharma is a field where we can project to the world. And now they have achieved their target. But we are still in the middle phases where rapid development has to take place. Drug discovery needs something like 2 billion rupees and something like 8 years of hard work to bring a molecule to the market, from the table to the market. So Indian companies are not still capable of that. What they do is they discover molecules, yes, but they license it to big companies, universities, or what you call small companies. They will make it. They will achieve the target and they will give it to big companies for licensing, and the big companies make money. So there are few molecules which have come, like Zydus cadilica, one saroglitazar has come. Desi Duxot is a molecule has come. क्या नाम है? Desi Duxot. Desi Duxot is a molecule which is coming from India. Yes, there are few molecules, very few, not many. But with what is going on in the industry currently, the impetus for pharma, the scope, the respect for pharma will definitely in the next 5 to 10 years, we will have molecules coming from India. This is my own perception, my own view. It will come, it will happen. So by the time you people reach manager level or assistant manager levels, you will realize that India has rapidly developed in the field of pharma. May not be now. We are just, talking, but it is going to happen very rapidly. Just as we have done in aviation field. We have a Tejas Mk2 coming next year or 2024. That is our stealth fighter aircraft. And we are selling all over the world. Similarly, pharma will be having molecules. But may not be now very few, but definitely after, say, down the line 5 to 10 years, this question will not be asked.
Thank you, sir.
So, Sohan Saib, तुम्ही परत. काय झालं होतं मला आजा विक्रम भी आजा
नहीं हेलो
वन M.Pharm स्टूडेंट कोई तो
सर
आता असेच नाउ यू कैन आस्क चलेगा आस्क
सर
ऑल 3 आर ओवर सरप्राइज क्या है मेरे पास? नहीं है मेरे पास वो गल सर का है पेन है मेरे पास या चले बट इट्स ओके
Okay. Hello everyone. I'm Apurva Wankhede, second year M.Pharm Pharmacology student from MIT WPU. So sir, I have a question to you. Like you answered the before question, you said that there is rapid growth in market development. So when it comes to skill set, we actually don't have the skill set required for business development. So what do we do there? Like we want rapid growth, but do we seriously have the skill set required for selling a product?
You have. The very fact you walk down here itself is a guarantee that you have it. I assure you, you have it.
Okay,
but all you need to know is you have to understand statistics. एक subject है. Computer पे statistics you have to correlate with market data. What is there? How much exports have been done? What is the market value? What is the market size? What countries में कितना material demand है, supply है? It is all available in the form of in the computer format. You have to analyze it, and then you have to devise, you have to go in for business development, you have to go to the customers. That is very easy. You get the data on the internet. But the skill set is interaction. How you interact, how you talk, how you project your company, how you क्या बोलेंगे sir? Project yourself. Correct word.
have to identify your skills. What is it?
Because when in interview you sit, HR asks like, what skill set do you have to sell a product? So what do we say there? Like, I have not learned marketing. So how would I sell your product? That, like I gave an interview like a week back. It was for business development and they asked me, how would you sell our product? And I was struck there because I said, I'm from pharmacology background and I have not been taught to sell a product in pharmacology. So
Now I'll answer your question in a different way. In some college, in an interaction session, the boy asked me this question. तो मैंने उसको simple answer दिया. अरे ऐसा पटा सकता है. ऐसा. So what I wanted to convey to you is a skill set where you have, marketing skills. You project your company in such a way that without he is giving an order to you, he will lose. That is the concept you have to drive in his mind. He will lose, that's all. And he will come to you. He will give you that order, sign order, and your company authorities will be very happy that this person has given an order, got an order. If you get 10 orders like that, definitely, वो फटाफट बोलता है ना?
So, I remember a dialogue from a very old film, Trishul from Amitabh Bachchan. Most of us, maybe, youngsters ने नहीं देखा होगा. उसमें he wanted to meet a company director who is played by Sanjeev Kumar, and he was knave. He just entered and walked in his office. I want to meet you. And he said, I have no time. He was a busy, means company businessman the. So he said, I have no time. Then he said, अगर मेरे आपके पास 5 मिनट का नहीं है, आपने मुझसे 5 मिनट में ही मिलके 5 लाख का नुकसान किया, and then immediately called him. So that skill, that's not a skill, but you should have some confidence.
Correct बोला मैम ने.
Confidence within you, so that they can call you or they can discuss, they can communicate with you. That's it.
अच्छा उसमें अमिताभ सेम त्रिशूल में अमिताभ बच्चन बोलता है मेरे जेब में 5 रुपए नहीं है लेकिन मैं 5 लाख का सौदा करने निकला हूँ. कितने लोगों ने देखा है आपने? Younger generation may not have, they have not seen Trishul.
Because nowadays to communicate in management group, in business management group, they are showing such types of movies so that you can learn the confidence skills. There are so many movies, clip of that movies for medical education, they are using it. So not as a hero, not as a picture, but we should see that movies because that shows the confidence he is having within him.
मैडम आजकल पठान देख. They want to see पठान. क्या करेंगे बोलो?
No, I will not say anything. No comments. No comments.
I'll share in Marathi. माझ्याकडे एक example आहे तुमच्यासोबत share करायला की एक shoe manufacturing company was there and they were like ते thought process चालू होती की सेल वाढवायचा आहे. सेल वाढवला पाहिजे तर काय केलं पाहिजे तर then they started exploring the other markets. तर मग तो जो मॅनेजर होता आणि त्याच्यासोबत टीम गेली वेगळ्या वेगळ्या एरियाज त्यांनी आयडेंटिफाय केल्या आणि दे कॅरीड आउट सर्वे ओव्हर देअर. तर इन वन प्लेस लाईक दे वेंट अँड दे सॉ लाईक सर्वे वॉज डन अँड दे केम बॅक अँड हॅड अ इंटरॅक्शन विथ द ओनर. तर मग ते मॅनेजर अँड जे सेल्स रिप्रेझेंटेटिव्ह होते तर ओनर थॉट दॅट आय विल टॉक 1 to 1. एकला बोलवेल आणि विचारेल की व्हॉट ऑल अपॉर्च्युनिटीज आर देअर फॉर द बिझनेस. तर मग कन्सिडर वी 2 आर देअर. सरांना बोलावलं. सर म्हटलं की आम्ही गेलो, वी हॅव कॅरीड आउट अ सर्वे, सगळं मार्केट बघितलं आणि पण त्या रिजनमध्ये कोणीच शू घालतच नाही. सो नो बडी इज हॅव्हिंग शूज. कोणालाच म्हणजे तर कोणाला शूज नाहीच आहे तर म्हणजे ते शूज घेणारच नाही. तर देर इज अ झिरो मार्केट फॉर दिस पर्टिक्युलर प्रॉडक्ट. मग दुसरा कॅन्डिडेट गेला आतमध्ये, त्याच्यासोबत इंटरॅक्शन केलं. तर तो गेला आणि ही सेड की आम्ही गेलो त्या एरियामध्ये अँड वी हॅव कॅरीड आउट अ सर्वे अँड वी हॅव सीन की नो बडी इज हॅव्हिंग शूज देअर बट दॅट्स अ बिग अपॉर्च्युनिटी बिकॉज नो बडी इज हॅव्हिंग. तर एक म्हणतोय की तिथे कोणी शूज घालत नाही म्हणून तिथे मार्केटच नाही आहे आणि दुसरा म्हणतोय कोणी शूज घालत नाही तर तेच मार्केट आहे वेअर वी कॅन गो अँड मॅक्झिमम सेल अवर प्रॉडक्ट्स. सो दॅट्स द अप्रोच. युअर ॲटिट्यूड डिसाइड्स द मार्केटिंग. Like if you and then the unique selling point, you should have something. So if you have a USP or unique selling point, then you can establish your market over there. Right?
Thank you so much.
It's all mind game actually. Marketing is a mind game.
Thank you, sir.
Ma'am, please, sir, आ जाओ ना. मैम को गिफ्ट दे दो. Should I give? हाँ. Photo. Sir, photo. Marketing.
Sir, can I?
Yeah, either.
First of all, shall I ask?
Yeah.
I'm waiting since there.
No. What is your good name?
Good morning. Good morning, everyone. Myself, Shruti Morankar from MET's Institute of Pharmacy, Nasik.
Wow.
So actually, my question was, being a PharmD aspirant, it came to my mind that what should be the approach of a clinical pharmacist who is neither completely drug-oriented, neither completely medical aspirant, but just a connecting link between a patient and physician. Now we are just struggling, first of all, to create our value in India. People are considering us as D-Pharm, diploma people. First of all, we have to create our value, then we have to make them understand what we are working. So what should be our approach in this emerging field?
See,
sir?
my answer to you would be, believe in yourself first. It is coming up, very rapid pace. This question will not be asked in the next 2 years. Pharma is coming in a big way. I must have told 10 times by now. So just look for a segment where you can make a career immediately. So a career of your choice. Pharmacovigilance ho gaya. Some field where you can make a mark immediately. And just wait for some time. It is happening. It is coming very fast. That is what I want to say. Yeah. This is from my side. Sorry. Or Bhujbal?
It's okay, sir.
तुमच्या तरफ. One boy is there, waiting. Come here, come. नजदीक आ जाओ. Quick, कहाँ? Time जा रहा है. Sir, time कितना है? Bhujbal sir, time. We have to stick to time now. कितना? 10 minutes? 10 minutes, ना? 10 minutes, eh? Because time is also very important.
Sir,
what is
my
your good
question
name?
is, can a PharmD graduate, if it is graduating from college, can he get a job in manufacturing? Because
Yes,
we
yes,
have
you
a knowledge of both, like pharmacodynamics and kinetics.
You can. You can
So there are like chances very
yes,
less.
Yes, you can get. You can get very easily. Very easily you can get. You need a basic training, say 1 to 3 months. If you can get a training or request a training to a company and get trained, you get it easily. See, what the industry needs is, they need somebody, basic knowledge of, they don't need manufacturing knowledge from you. They will train you. So you will get, surely.
They say like you have not knowledge of clinical.
They
and
tell,
also
some companies tell.
Okay.
Some companies, they don't have vacancies, they will tell. Some companies, they offer training, yes. They offer. So you have to look for those companies which offer training initially for say 6 months, apprentice 1 year, and then you can get into a career in manufacturing very easily. So there is no restriction for any pharma graduate for any field. You can get into anything. I think I have answered your question. ये मेरे तरफ से अभी एक बच्चा है मेरे पास.
Good afternoon, everyone. So my name is Neha Madik. I'm second year M.Pharm pharmacology student. So like I want to have insight about data analyst job roles which are offered to PG or UG students, and can it be an emerging trend for the pharma students?
Data analytics, what you meant, like?
So like a few companies which work in health industry, like developing health devices or medicine, they offer the job role of role like implementation data analyst.
Like statistics related? Or,
yeah, or like how to
what
put
you
the
meant,
data.
I want to understand what you meant. Like information technology?
Yeah, basically that.
तो मेरे पास offer है straight away. With Roto Technologies, they are looking for a person. Will you apply? I have an offer immediately.
So like what the role I was.
Information scientist training देंगे. On the job 3 months, and then you are absorbed straight away. अरे मजाक नहीं, I'm not joking. So it is there available. You have an offer. Offer है मेरे पास.
So I already have an offer with me.
Or
so,
so I was.
अच्छा. So that means you understood there is a demand for information technologist.
Yeah.
That is computer पे बैठ के data collect करके assimilate करने का.
So do we have the like emerging trends? Like can it be a future scope for students?
Both lot of demand.
So can it be compared with the job roles like CRA? Like is it better than CRA or CRA?
No job is less. Everything is same. So
like can we see it as another option?
If you like information technology is the correct word, then you should do that only because that is your taste. किधर है आपका offer? Which company में?
CTC like?
You can tell now what is it.
So it's less. It's less.
नहीं, offer company का नाम.
Company name?
हाँ.
Medlin.
Medlin, अच्छा. If you wish to apply to Roto Technologies, anybody can approach me for information. Offer available है. They are not getting people.
Okay. Thank you.
एक मिनट. रिमझिम, इनको दे दो ना फ्लावर. ये खत्म हो गया. खत्म नहीं हो रहा. क्या करेंगे? सोहन साहेब काय करायचं आता? पेन. आता लास्ट घेऊया एक. Last one. Last. Good morning, ma'am. ये लेना नहीं.
Yeah, it's okay. Okay, so yeah. So my question is like I don't know. Most of the students they have been like approaching for maybe medical
What is the
field.
good name first?
So
Good
my
name.
name is Afreen Chogle. Afreen.
And which college?
From Alana College of Pharmacy. Alana College of Pharmacy.
Alana College. Where is it?
It's in Pune.
Pune.
Yeah, camp.
Achha.
Camp.
Okay,
yeah.
okay.
So my question is like in many countries like UK and USA, they are also allowing B.Pharm or maybe you can say pharmacy graduates who can prescribe after like they undergo a course of 6 months or something and they can prescribe some medicines in that like to overcome the burden of the physicians. So how long do you think it will take for India to start with that? Or what could be the reason
It is actually in process. All this is happening.
Okay.
But I don't know, you students, you are not you are not reading anything. It is happening. We are not getting people. And here you are telling ki you should read. You know, we are not getting people now. ऐसा सिचुएशन आ गया है हमारे को कि लोग मिल नहीं रहे हमको. और एक साइड से ऑडियंस बोल रही है कि ढूंढ रहे हैं हम. No. It will happen very fast now.
Yeah.
It is rapidly happening.
I think it's more because
it
like
is just
once,
a matter of time. It's just a matter of time. There is a huge demand in the market now. Indians are setting up plants in abroad.
Yeah.
Africa, Bangladesh, Nepal, Jordan, le lo, Egypt, le lo, everywhere. So there will be a demand, not only what you are saying, everything. There will be demand. Engineers, chemical engineers, huge demand coming up. So your answer is it is just a matter or maybe a little more reading on the internet in the specific keyword डाल के आपको मिल जाएगा answer.
Sure.
Just a matter of 3 years.
Sure. Thank
And
you.
this जो भी बोल रहा था ना तीन भूल जाओ. It will be, I think it will be a standard of 10 in the next 3 years. 10 lakhs will be the starting point. In the next 3 years, huh? At least give a clap.
Sir, let me clear your point. We are asking that pharmacist will prescribe the drugs. That's not there. I think he'll be the right person.
Yeah.
Pharmacists pick up the drug.
No. The question was totally different.
Sorry. No.
Because in so many institutes, even here, some pharmacist is posted who has done B Pharm, M Pharm, D Pharm, like. And once the physician, consultant prescribe the drug, in India, there is no regulation as such. But abroad, there is a regulation. First, you can't prescribe the drug like anything. Means just write down and he or she will get from the market, right?
Yeah.
That's the thing. They have to clarify by so many tests. For example, if you want to prescribe any antimicrobial agents, then they will do the sensitivity, culture sensitivity test, and which antibiotic is sensitive to that particular infection, that will be prescribed.
Okay.
And that is the role of pharmacist. And there, the drugs will be given to the patient by pharmacist only.
Okay.
Right? No OTC. OTC, do you understand
yeah,
what
I
is
do get
OTC?
it.
So that's not available. And I think he's the right person.
Thank you so much. For regarding the prescription of the drug is usually by the doctors will prescribe. But most importantly, the role of pharmacist here is a clinical pharmacist, whereby we do have a pharmacist who have actually specialized in respiratory or cardiac. So they will advise the doctors based on that adverse effect, on that actions, and ask them, and they will suggest the specialist, the consultant, to prescribe the drugs. So that's how it works, because even in Malaysia, only doctors who have that what you call the rights to prescribe. So pharmacists actually who helping, because we say this, we are paramedicals, right?
Yeah.
We are assisting the doctors in the treatment process. Thank you.
Thank you.
Afreen, आपका question मुझे पता ही नहीं है this topic. ABCD नहीं पता थी मुझे, सचमुच. Prescribing drugs and all ना, मुझे नहीं पता थी. तो मैं bold हो गया, clean bold. मुझे नहीं पता था, frankly.
And actually, a question was that's how now. That's how now to prevent the resistance of various antibiotics, antibiotic stewardship program is running by so many colleges, so many hospitals, so that एक आपका क्वेश्चन था ना antibiotic resistance a question asked by one student. So that is how we will prevent the development of resistance, and that comes under rational use of the drugs. There's that's a different field, rational use of drugs, and by that, so pharmacist role is rationality. Rationality not in the dose. There are 5 R's. If आपने पढ़ा हो कभी तो, right patient, right dose, right duration, right. The right treatment. So their pharmacist may help in the consultant, or maybe a help to the consultant. So, thank you.
Afreen, मैं आपको एक पेन दे सकता हूँ, और कुछ नहीं, आ जाओ. But this will be the last one. Thank you.
Thank you.
सिर्फ नाम के लिए.
No, it's fine.
It's
No
okay.
problem.
Permission from Dr. available. कितना? एक question, दो question. ले सकते हैं.
Thank you, sir.
मेरे पास कुछ नहीं है.
Thank you, sir. No, sir. I'm Trividdamaya from Anurag College of Pharmacy, Vathi Bhandara. Sir, my question is, अभी backbencher है, पढ़ाई में थोड़े कम, but good one.
मैं भी था.
तो अभी M.Pharm, यानी लास्ट ईयर में हूँ B.Pharm के, M.Pharm करना या फिर जो सर्टिफिकेट कोर्सेस है, रेगुलेटरी के हो गए, क्वालिटी के हो गए, क्वालिटी एश्योरेंस और NDA जो भी है, वो सर्टिफिकेट कोर्सेज करके जॉब अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ में जॉब के साथ साथ वो करना या फिर M.Pharm करना, क्या बेटर ऑप्शन?
स्टडीज नंबर 1 पे आता है. No doubt about it. Anybody in the audience, study number 1. M.Pharm, number 1. साथ में कुछ भी करो फिर. जो भी करना है करो, साथ में. But M.Pharm. If you are interested in M.Pharm, do M.Pharm, that's all. फिर सर्टिफिकेट 50 करो चलेगा. MBA ऑनलाइन करो, जो भी करना है. But if you have a taste for M.Pharm, do M.Pharm first. Do not miss out an opportunity of education. अगर आपको PhD पसंद है, M.Pharm PhD. Career number 1 पे आता है. Any doubt? No doubt.
When plain pharmacy, plain marketing is there, how we correlate with pharma?
नहीं, सी मार्केटिंग, सी ऐसा नहीं है कि इफ यू हैव एन एम फार्म यू कैनॉट डू MBA या तुम नहीं कर सकते. एक एजुकेशन 2 years का जो नहीं कोरिलेट होता है ना. नॉलेज ऑफ फार्मा इज रिक्वायर्ड व्हेन यू गो टू द मार्केट टू सेल प्रोडक्ट, टैबलेट, कैप्सूल और वॉट एवर मेडिकल डिवाइस एंड ऑल, यू हैव टू टेल. और नॉलेज नहीं होगा तो क्या करेगा. सो a thorough knowledge of pharma is required, and all will not go into marketing. So it is required. So first preference is M.Pharm PhD, simultaneously MBA, yeah, MA, whatever combination, but studies first. Studies. And then apply the knowledge during selling or buying, whatever you want. Sourcing be a career. Yeah? Students, sourcing is also a career. Taking material for the company is also a career I missed. It's a big field. आपका कुछ डाउट है इसमें? करना है. क्विक कुछ नहीं है, करना है, पढ़ाई करना है, बाद में सब. अगर पार्ट टाइम कर सकते हो, nothing like it. Courses, you know, some courses, lot of courses are available. It will add value to you. When you go for an interview, it adds value. And knowledge definitely adds value. And ऐसा मत सोचो बैक बेंचर है, मैं भी एक बैक बेंचर ही था. But today, I'm sitting here. So it's आपको एक गुलाब का फूल मिल जाता है मेरे तरफ से डायरेक्ट, टू सेव टाइम.
Any more questions?
First of all, good afternoon, sir, and all. I have one general question.
Good name?
Myself, Yogita Sanap. Yogita.
College?
DY Patil. M.Pharm Pharmacology.
Your own college?
Yes, sir. Sir, how to achieve excellence in pharmacy? Means which characteristics are required in candidate for to achieve excellence?
Passion for pharmacy, passion, hunger for knowledge, and dedication, respect for teachers, obedient, attend classes regularly, attend practicals regularly, respect teachers, and respect the profession. These are all the qualities required, along with soft skills, computers, Word, ये वो जो भी है, MS Word, PowerPoint presentations and all those things, hands-on skills, and good knowledge of internet, reading, not Instagram कितने followers है. My son has more followers than me. ऐसा है, क्या करेंगे? So, good reading, that is what. And taste for pharma, respect for pharma. These are all required. And excellence in education. Whatever you do, do well. Read the basics. These are all required. I think I have answered.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
ये आपको फोटो. ऐसा आपने कभी देखा नहीं रहेगा कि फूल गिफ्ट्स में दिए जाते. बट adaptation situation, what to do?
We can take few more questions. Yeah, you can come.
आ जाओ. सोहन साहेब, तुमचे स्टुडंट्स फार बोल्ड आहेत. नाही तर स्टुडंट येत नाही हा कोण असं स्टेजवर. मला वाटलं कोणच येणार नाही. सो गुड ट्रेनिंग हा. DY Patil, वाह. That is no doubt, that is why you have that accreditation ना. NA, एक मिनिट मला सांगू द्या. A triple plus 3.77. Correct? A double plus ना. A 3.77. अच्छा, ये ले माइक.
Good afternoon, sir. My name is Prathamesh Dattatreya Dure. I am from Kamal Prakash College of Pharmacy Research Center, Karanjalad, Washim.
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 Sir, my question is, can I talk in Hindi or Marathi?
Marathi, Hindi, anything.
सर माझा क्वेश्चन असा होता की तुम्ही मेडिकल कोडिंगला पुढच्या 2-3 वर्षात कसं पाहता?
मेडिकल कोडिंग
इन इंडिया.
या इंडिया इज ऑन द राईज. हे खूप फास्ट डेव्हलप होतोय. मे बी 12th टाईम मी सांगतोय आता की आपला रॅपिड पेसमध्ये डेव्हलपमेंट होत आहे. मे बी 2 वर्षानंतर मी इकडे बसलो तर हे क्वेश्चन येणारच नाही, तेवढे डेव्हलपमेंट होणार आहेत आपल्याला. हे गव्हर्नमेंट खूप इंटरेस्ट घेते याच्यामध्ये. आणि सडनली आफ्टर कोरोना lot of schemes, lot of parks, lot of efforts have been coming in the pharma field for rapid development, and government is planning to be something like trillions of dollars of business. So medical coding naturally will be a part of.
सर गव्हर्नमेंट इंटरेस्ट आहे पण काही इनिशिएटिव्ह पण नाही घेत आहे ना.
घेतात नो गव्हर्नमेंट घेत आहेत. ओ तिकडे कॅमेरा चालू आहे. गव्हर्नमेंट घेत आहेत. हा गव्हर्नमेंट घेत आहेत. पण बघ ना 2-3 वर्ष अगोदर कुठे फार्मा होता? कोरोनाच्या अगोदर कुठे फार्मा नावच कोण घेत नव्हतं. सगळे मल्टीनॅशनल पळून गेले आपल्या कंट्रीतून. आता सगळे धावत येतात परत. बिकॉज इंडिया इज अ व्हेरी गुड प्लेस. इंडिया इज लॉट ऑफ वॉटर, प्युअर वॉटर, फ्रेश एअर, नॅचरल रिसोर्सेस, इंग्लिश, लॉट ऑफ टॅलेंट अँड लॉट ऑफ यंगस्टर्स इन इंडिया. 1.4 बिलियन आपलं पॉप्युलेशन आहे. यंगस्टर्स आहेत आपल्याकडे. सो दीज आर ऑल हेल्पिंग द ग्रोथ ऑफ फार्मा. अँड डेफिनेटली हे तुला पण माहीत आहे ना, फार्मा आता कुठलाही मंत्री बघ तो फार्माच सांगतो पहिला, आहे का नाही?
हो सर.
फार्मा आता झालं ना. UP मध्ये किती मोठा पार्क आहे, किती 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 crores of rupees आर इन्व्हेस्टेड इन उत्तर प्रदेश जस्ट नाव रिसेंटली. सोलापूर आपलं किती मोठा इन्व्हेस्टमेंट येतोय इंडस्ट्रीचा. लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स सर.
Started developing the medical unit hub industries, pharmaceutical industries there. They started by government only.
सर मग याच्यात मग असे कोर्सेस तुम्ही म्हटले कोर्सेस करायचे की एज्युकेशन तर याच्यात कोणी म्हणजे गव्हर्नमेंट हे
नाही. एज्युकेशन प्रायोरिटी नंबर 1 आहे. आय हॅव नो डाऊट हिअर. हायर एज्युकेशन नंबर 1. जे काय हायर एज्युकेशन आहेत, मास्टर्स, डॉक्टरेट, पोस्ट डॉक, दीज आर प्रायोरिटीज. देर इज नो डाऊट इन इट. बस साइड बाय साइड करा ना. साइड बाय साइड छोटे मोठे कोर्सेस फॉर इंटरेस्ट पर्पज यू कॅन डू. आणि सॉफ्ट स्किल्स पण करा. वर्ड, एक्सेल, इंस्टाग्राम, फेसबुक, ट्विटर. हां ते पण करायचं. चलो नंतर फोटो कलेक्ट करा. DY Patil College.
Sir, I am Alfia Biradar, currently pursuing my master's in Modern College of Pharmacy, Nigdi, but I am an alumni of DY Patil College.
Achha, DY.
Completed my graduation from here.
You did graduation from
yes,
DY?
Yes, sir, from DY Patil. Sir, I had a question on if a good M.Pharm student has good knowledge and want to go in research and development, but don't want to do PhD, so can they grow in that field?
Yes, why not? Why not? Who told you? You can go. Okay. You can go. Only thing is, some 2 years, 1 year, 2 years gap is there. You get that training.
Yes, sir.
Because when a PhD student goes, the student is already trained in certain things.
Okay.
But who told you? Masters, yes, you can, but some gap is required. Some 6 months training, you are through. Okay. I know BSc guys, B.Pharm guys who are research heads, research and development heads. They are owners. So there is nothing. It is your own passion, your own skill, your own learning ability, you can get through. But M.Pharm, yes, surely, you can.
Thank you.
And there is nothing called, promotion nahi milega, wo sab nahi. The skilled person definitely gets. Ma'am, do I agree? Any skilled person will get a promotion, na?
सब शुरू से ही सर यही कहते आ रहे हैं, your hard work, discipline, dedication, skills, communications, these are the key qualities, I must say, to get the success in every field, not in the pharma, not in the medical. Whenever we go anywhere, these are the key points.
सचिन तेंदुलकर को 16 साल में मिला, talented था, he got a chance. ऐसे कितने examples हैं? If you are recognized, you have a passion to do research, you'll get through. ऐसा कुछ नहीं, no.
Thank you, sir.
Yes. ये आपके लिए. मैम आप देना, प्लीज. आप देना. लगता है सब खत्म हो जाएगा. सर, आपको मंगाना पड़ेगा ऐसा लग रहा है. अभी T20 खेलेंगे, फास्टर है, रैपिड राउंड है, फास्ट T20 है, फास्ट.
Good afternoon, sir. My name is Harshada Mankar. I'm from Kamal Prakash Pharmacy College, Kherda. And my question is
किधर है Kherda?
Kherda. It is in Washington district, from the
Washim.
same college where he's from.
Washim.
Okay. So my question basically is to the management of DY Patil College of Pharmacy. As you have said that studies come first. Studies comes first.
Yes.
And one of the students have asked that to gain the skills, we have to go through certain certification courses. Many of the students quitting their studies and joining certification courses, they are quitting doing their masters. If I plan to do my masters, and just in case I want to add more skills in my personality. For that. To go, like if I approach to any company or if I approach to anybody, they will ask for the written certification. So can I see Dr.DY Patil Institute of Pharmacy offering some courses which might be available online for the students who are continuing their higher studies in different institutions, but can you provide such a workshop or courses online so that we can add that certification in our professional CV? And
साहब माइक गया. अच्छा.
We already have such courses,
No,
skill development courses, but it depends upon your interest. Like every student is having interest in different area. So currently we are offering 3 or 4 certification courses, I think. So we have a course in regulatory affairs, clinical data management is there, CGMP is there. And we conducted on QBD also. So, but they were offline, as you suggested. Right now we are working on the online module, and the regulatory one is online available. So it depends upon the choice of the student, and even our students' choice will matter in that case, because majority of them, they pursue their courses at our place, and then it goes to the outside student. And yes, what sir has said and what general discussion is going on, skill upgradation is utmost important. So if you have some extra skill, everybody will have B.Pharm, M.Pharm, all these degrees with them, or PharmD in that case. But what extra skill you are having, that is important, and you should pursue and you should see to it, wherever it is being offered, you should opt for it. That will add value to your knowledge, right?
I'll ask you one question. How much Instagram followers you have?
I don't know, sir. I don't know actually. I have to see.
Actually, that itself is a skill. This is my gift for you. I'm running short, but it's still okay.
I think your question will motivate our student to pursue the certificate courses. Because sometimes it is very difficult for us to convince our student that this is important. But when they listen to the other students from the other institution, I think they are getting it is required.
Sir, जेव्हा दुसरे सांगतायत ना, तेव्हा हां.
Myself, Akanksha Pate, DPU Pharmacy.
DY Patil.
Yes. In many companies.
Which stream?
Final year B.Pharm.
B.Pharm, yeah.
In many companies, instruments like FTIR, UV, all are automatic now. We have to just put the values, and for that coding, companies hire the engineers. So this syllabus should be included in our syllabus, so we can do it by own. so there is a chance for us to work.
See, the answer for this question is, you have to always, in an education, you have to go through classical methods. जो button दबा के, वो insert the tube, है ना, वो सब. When you learn the basics, then only when you go to industry, they will train you. They will not allow you to handle the instrument immediately. They will give you some training, and then you will learn. But you have to know the basics. जैसे आप say cricket, they will teach you ना simple things पहले. थोड़ी मैच में उतारेंगे T20 मैच में नहीं. So उसी तरह इंडस्ट्री में भी they will allow you to handle the instrument with training. So there is no point, a college having a sophisticated instrument because maintenance is very tough. So let them teach you simple. Now which you told FTIR, na?
My question is that they give us the training to how to use FTIR UV. We have that training in
Yes, you
last
have
month.
it,
My question is that all is coded, like we have to go there, we have to put the values and we get the results. But like manufacturing of that instrument, companies hire the engineers to code it. So this knowledge and this syllabus should be included in our syllabus.
Sir, what she wants, that the engineering, like instrumentation engineering or software engineering should be clubbed with the pharmacy education. Then only the pharmacy can come, like pharmacists can go and deliver in the medical devices industry, right? This is what you want to say? And yes, that is the thought process going on. And NEP, I think most of because NEP is promoting cluster of the institution. And we are also thinking in the same manner in the DPU group. Like we have engineering, pharmacy and MBA in one campus. So we want to integrate all these three institutions imparting such kind of knowledge.
Sir, तुमचे students brilliant आहेत. मला पण bold करून टाकलं. माझ्याकडे पण answer नाही.
They are all asking future questions. No? They need to
But I never thought of it.
Pursue.
सच्ची में. मुझे समझ में ही नहीं आया. But सर बोलते हैं करना चाहिए, तो करना चाहिए.
So in instrumentation, there are so many observerships are also there to know the principles and working of the various equipments. Right, so you must be having in your hospitals also. So just send them there, weekly observership or means at different places, molecular and whatever PCR.
Her question is related to the development of the medical devices actually. She said ki UV is there.
Of devices.
Yeah.
So very difficult.
UV spectrophotometer is there, FTIR is there, HPLC is there.
No, working, I am thinking we want to work on those equipments to understand the
Our
working.
college taught us about how to work on it. We have that facility.
My bad.
ये तो वो हुआ ना कंप्यूटर है फिर उसको कैसे रिपेयर करना ऐसा ही ना समथिंग लाइक ओहो अच्छा Oh, very. Principals आपको. So let DY Patil be the first college to do that. चलेगा.
Sir, I think NIPER Ahmedabad, they came out with a program, MPharm in medical devices. So now the pharmacy institutions are coming up with that, what she is expecting. The students are expecting. Yeah, and definitely even DY Patil is thinking that way.
Very nice, ma'am. Well prepared, huh? Bouncer गया ऊपर से.
Any more questions? Okay. So thank you. Thank you, sir, for your energetic interaction. Actually, interaction from all the panelists on the dais. Your way of disseminating knowledge to young minds is a learning for all of us. Hard work with skills will take all of us to a higher level. No pain, no gain. Thank you, sir. I request Dr. Sohan Chitlange and Dr. Vikram Chaudhary to felicitate Dr. Anthony Cresto with memento as a token of gratitude. Thank you all. Here I conclude the morning session of International Conference Pharmanecia 3.E. I request everyone to please proceed for the lunch. We'll meet again for the scientific session sharp after 1 hour. Yeah, an instruction to all the participants. Souvenir has been released and it is available on your registered mail ID. Thank you.